Cheers to getting drunk and reading Hamlet.
Oh, hey, we're just getting started.
3.
Act 3, scene 2. Wait, I just want to say
Who's the player? Who's the player?
Oh shit, I am.
You're all players in my heart. You're the player.
I want your honor.
Hamlet. No, Hamlet didn't say his first line. I lost my wife, the queen. The queen has gone on the ground and she doth lay there till she doth sober up.
It's page 25. Holy shit, we're only in page 25.
How many people?
No.
Oh my god, guys.
Speak the speech I pray you trippingly on tongue, but if mouth as many of our players do, I had his life in the town crier speak my lines. Nor do I saw the air in the hand with your much mouth.
Who's the player?
Oh, I hope we have reformed.
I want your honor.
I want your honor.
Be not too tame either, but let discretion be your tutor.
Bless you.
Skipping words now. We're just
Is this
skipping.
still
Suit the action to the
Yeah.
word, the word to the action. For anything sword.
Bless you.
Damn it, Hamlet, stop with your fucking seasonal allergies.
I hope we reform that indifferent with us, sir. Bless you.
James, we're not even there.
We're skipping. All reformed. Go
All reform together. Go get yourself ready.
26.
My phone ran out of battery. I'm improvising the rest of this. Just tell me about how long my lines are.
Wait, sushi.
Are they long lines or are they short
Yeah,
lines?
no, they're long.
To Horatio.
Sushi, you
Just
can't
look
just
over
walk
this.
away and
No,
like
no,
started
Sushi.
done. You are
Sushi.
Hamlet.
Horatio, dude, like, chill out, man.
You are
It's okay. You know, things between us are bad, but watch out.
I
These
don't
actors
think
are
that's
really
fun.
going to represent what's going on the stage.
Okay, basically, there's a play tonight before the king. One scene of it comes near the circumstance which I have told thee of my father's death. When thou seest that act afoot, observe my uncle. Give him headful note, for
So,
I
Horatio.
mine eyes will rivet to his face, and after we will both our judgments join the censure.
Zazu. Alright, Zazu.
Horatio is Zazu.
I'm about to put in the shit, alright? Zazu,
Zazu.
I need you to watch Scar, alright? If
You're
Scar's,
coming to the play.
if Scar's
You must
lying
be
face
idle.
fluctuates even a
Get
little
your
bit,
piece.
he killed Mufasa, alright?
Kill them.
That's what we need to prove. We need to prove that he killed
Okay.
Mufasa, but I
So
can't be watching the whole
basically,
time.
the king, queen, Polonius, Ophelia, Rosencrantz, Guildenstern, and others enter. Okay, so Hamlet says, "Be the players ready?" And then Rosencrantz, "Aye, my lord." Hamlet takes the place near Ophelia. Duh, they're dating. Polonius to the king, Claudius, the fake king, because, you know, what's about to happen. Oh, ho! Did you mark that?
Wait, I'm here. Why are you saying that?
Do y'all ever
Oh,
like
no.
Hamlet's too stuck in like the status quo? Like, why is he
No,
even
no,
worried
no,
about
no.
this shit?
Everyone else.
Jen got it. Jen got
Oh ho! Why do you say that? Hey!
Hamlet says that,
Wait,
lady, shall I rest your head upon
Oh, she's like, my penis is weird.
half a year? Well, you know what?
He's
After
Hamlet.
1
Let
week-
him be Hamlet.
Okay.
Seriously, what's like
Second.
Hamlet's problem?
I'm like,
I don't know.
no.
I don't know.
Because his dad died because of me.
Just move on,
shit.
dude. Like,
No, it's your dad.
What? Spoiler alert!
he never knew his dad. It's never implied that he had a good relationship with his dad.
It's never implied that he did
No,
not have a good
Hamlet-
relationship with his dad.
Wait, where are we?
Hamlet is
Where are
like
we?
20.
Yeah.
Okay,
Hamlet's
let's
like
go.
20
He
when his
totally
dad
knew he had a
died.
good relationship with his
Give
dad.
me a line. Give me a line.
That's bitter.
Hey, this is a very shaky guitar, but you can like us on the YouTube and watch our videos for more content just like what you just saw. And please pledge to our Patreon because we're very poor. We're not that poor, but we need more money so we can do this art. Thanks.